So, we have 6 of these. Nalaglag siya. Oh my God! Hey guys! What's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. Oh my God! Sobrang tagal since the last time I filmed my lights and all. So, medyo nakakapanibago na may daming ilaw sa harap ko. But, yeah, hindi ako nakapag-upload for 2 weeks. 2 consecutive weeks. My gosh, kaya. Pero well, it is what it is. Pero I think last week meron akong Tagaytay upload. So, if you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out first. Merry Christmas to everyone. It's been a tough 2020. It's been hard to everyone kasi pandemic and all. Sobrang hassle lumabas. Sobrang sakit sa ulo. But, yeah, we're strong and let's conquer 2021 stronger. For today's video, it's an unboxing. Wow, this is hella huge box. So, this is the Vice Cosmetics Pasaberg Box. I got this for 1,499 pesos. Originally priced at 3,000 pesos. So, nakuha ko to nung 12/12 sale kasi you know, 12/12 sale, sobrang daming namili. Talagang sinulit ang 12/12 for Christmas and all the discounts and everything. At isa na ako doon. Actually, na-excite ako kasi medyo mabigat siya. So, ang nakalagay kasi sa description ay get up to 5,000 worth of products for only 1,499. Save as much as 70%. So, we'll see. Dahil alam nyo naman na ayoko na sa scam, compute natin kung talagang worth 5,000 pesos and above siya. Okay, so before we begin with this unboxing video, don't forget to click the like button down below if you're interested with this content. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the bell notification beside it for you to be notified whenever I upload again. So, without further ado, let's get on with this video. I'm really a huge fan of Vice Cosmetics. As you know, talagang ang dami kong biniling BT21 collection nila. Talagang kino-collect ko siya. Kasi I'm so in love with the quality of their products. Kahit na mura siya, the quality is there. Ito siya. Ang laki niya, in fairness. So, we'll open it together. Ah! No, wait. No peeking. Grabe naman i-touch. Nagulat ako. Sana walang malaglag, please. Okay, game. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's dig in one by one. I like the box, by the way. Ang dami mong pwedeng malagay na makeups dito. First thing first is this pouch. This is a makeup bag. I love this. Actually, binigyan ko yung pinsan ko nito last year. Yung set to. Meron tong set. And I really love the quality. Okay, and then we have, oh my God! There's a lot of BT21 product. You all know na meron na akong mga ganito. So, I think I'm gonna give it to my cousin or to my sister when she's here. Kasi ang dami ko na talagang ganito. And then, we have Vice Cosmetics Water Gel and Lip Cheek Tint. So, puro siya si Van. Nalaglag siya. We have this. This is the Vice Phenomenal Liquid Lipstick. We have the shade Chanelin Ravan Girl Ravan. And a Chu-Chu-Chu. A Chu-Chu-Chu. So, ayan, meron tayong tatlo na ganito. Then, ayan, we have this sets. This is Vice Good Vibes Matte Lipstick. So, we have 8 shades available. We have Tarouche. And then, we have Ganda-Gandahan. Good Vibes. Miss Uganda. Have. Okay, we have Have. We have In Fairness. And then, we have GGSS. Or gandang-ganda sa sarili. Char. And then, we have Hongganda. So, ayan. We have a lot of lipsticks. And then, last, but definitely not the least, I believe. Ooh! Oh my God! Okay, we have the Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lip Kit. Oh my God! Ang tagal ko nang gustong makakuha nito, pero I don't have any chance of getting it kasi parang medyo mahal siya for me. Yes, thank God. So, we have 6 of these. Okay, so I won't be opening this as well kasi, ayan, nakikita ko naman yung mga colors sa labas. I'll keep some of these, pero yung iba is, ayun, giveaway or I'll just give it to my relatives. Let's add all of this together. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung makukuha natin to see if it's really worth 5,000 plus worth of products. Alright, so na-add ko na silang lahat and the total value is 5,175 pesos. So, it is indeed more than 5,000 pesos and it's really worth it, lalo na kung alam mo yun, mahilig ka sa lipsticks, and the fact that it's only 1,499. Girl, it's a steal. Sobrang steal niya. As in, Merry Christmas talaga. And if you're a makeup lover then, ayan. Very good ito. I like it very much. I'm so happy with this purchase kasi there a lot. Sobrang dami nila. I'm so happy. So, I guess that completes this video. So, ayun. Sobrang happy ako with this purchase. Leave me a comment down below kung nakabili ka rin ba nitong Pasaberg Box. Ano yung nakuha mo? Saan ba tayo nang nakuha? And do you think it's worth the penny? Lalo na it's Christmas season. Do you think it's worth the splurge? Let me know in the comment section down below. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas! Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next video. Bye!